Up, blazing.
Yeah, my people. You know your girls are seen at the building.
Up.
And me I say a long time I do something like this, you know. But me there, I do a tune for the Killa and you don't know, me have to make the people them know about it. Because Rodney Price are the real general. One general in a dance hall, one living legend. You see me? And him bust most of the biggest name them boy, the biggest artists them in the fraternity.
Yeah.
He want me way for a whole heap away, you see me? Yeah. So somebody have to come and show some form of appreciation. If it's even somebody where him never bust.
Up.
But as an artist,
yeah,
you have to show some love to the people and we open the
door.
That door they feel we, don't it?
Yeah,
There had to be somebody before us.
Yeah.
You see me? So me I say Rodney Price, living legend.
Yeah.
One voice, you see me?
Real.
So me I say that tune here for the general.
Where
you see me? Alright, that's how we do it. Me want be like Killa, want pray like Killa, me no care about me like Killa. Want bust you out like Killa, talk choke like Killa, and me full back so like Killa. Want be a boss like Killa, with class like Killa, can't this come across like Killa. And they along like Killa, voice strong like Killa. If you this bong bang like Killa, when me do straight, so me do it like Killa. Fans them say my voice straight like Killa. See views say if it speak like Killa, cause people are suffer and them say it like Killa. Female general straight like Killa. Sing some song where them rate like Killa. One day me I figure like Killa, put food pan poor people plate like Killa. See there, a man great, you fi tell him while him living. Nobody wait on the day when you grieving. Killa me rate everything where you believe in, and you deserve every blessing you receiving. A man great, you fi tell him while him living. Nobody wait on the day when you grieving. Killa me rate everything where you believe in, and you deserve every blessing. See that? Say that the fans say me dark like Rodney. Eat and sleep and me talk like Rodney. Poor people in my heart like Rodney. Me keep it real from me start like Rodney. Want be a poor people God like Rodney. In a dance hall me I trod like Rodney. Lyrically mad so me bad like Rodney. The pattern and style me have like Rodney. Shell every stage like Rodney. Every day me young now age like Rodney. Me a DJ with a rage like Rodney. And if you this me you get a page like Rodney. So me do it make many sick like Rodney. High grade and NSC like Rodney. So them can't stop fending me like Rodney. But me not two friend enemy like Rodney. See there. A man great, you fi tell him while him living. Nobody wait on the day when you grieving. Killa me rate everything where you believe in, and you deserve every blessing you're receiving. You me general. We are tell you before that day there. We are make you know from you alive. That you can know. Say artists out there, we appreciate what you do for the business. And we know people where they have no artists, we appreciate what the general has done for the whole thing when name music and dancehall. You see me? So me I say living legend.
Great.
Rodney Price.
Bob.